What's up guys, it's the Cheapster here, back with another video. And today we got another delivery ride-along video. So today what I'm gonna be doing, because everything's a hot topic with Twitter right now and Tesla because of Elon Musk. If you don't know what's going on with that, basically Elon is basically saying he might buy Twitter. I don't know, he's doing Elon things. But basically what that means to me is most things that Elon Musk touches tends to turn to gold. So as much as I don't really like Twitter, I mean, I don't even use it myself, I'm very interested to see what he might do with it. There's talk that he might turn it into like a Web3 thing with crypto or who knows what. So you know what? Today I'm deciding I'm gonna work and I'm gonna invest the money I make working in both Twitter and Tesla. I'm gonna split it 50-50, whatever I make, and we'll see what we can get out of it. And if this is a good investment or not. That's why I try to do these things though, because they're fun, where I don't know if I really do want to invest in Twitter, but because I can work and then invest it, maybe it'll be great down the road, or maybe I'll be really wishing I never did it. I don't know, but we'll find out. Hey, it's me from the future, because I had to tell you, I totally forgot. Today is Elon Musk's day because it is April 20th, which is 420. So you know how much Elon Musk loves his 420 references. So perfect day to be buying some Elon Musk stock. So I'm gonna turn on now. It is a Wednesday. It's about 5:30, and I'm probably gonna work just the rest of the evening. Probably gonna be kind of slow since it's a Wednesday, but I'm gonna be working DoorDash, and we're gonna see how much we can make to invest in Twitter and Tesla. Before I begin, guys, too, let me remind you that if you haven't used my referral link down below in the description to sign up for Get Upside, that helps you save money on gas. I've also got a code down there that can get you a first-time fill-up to save extra money on that. There's also a bunch of other referrals down there, so make sure you check down below in the description to use those. They really help out the channel, and I really appreciate it when you guys use those. But all right, I got my first order for $13.50. It's pretty far away of a delivery, but the pickup's right here, and the spot that I'm delivering to is not too bad for other orders. So I'm just excited to have an order come in that's that much. So let's go get that now. Another nice day. You gotta love it when the weather's nice when you're working. All right, got that picked up. You got to keep the salad on the outside. You don't want it in the bag. It's a long drive, so the salad would get weird if you put it in. But that was a pizza place. It's always cool. They got this like giant Connect 4 thing outside. I always want to play it. But all right, got this. It's a 10-mile drive to go drop this off. But we're coming, Elon. We're going to buy some Twitter. We're going to buy some Tesla. Let's do it. I think our goal by the end of the night doing DoorDash should be to buy more Twitter stock than Elon Musk. And then I own Twitter into Cheapster. We all own it. I'll make us all own it. We can make it whatever we want. All right, got that order dropped off, and that was actually $14.25. So that is a great start to the day. Get some Twitter and Tesla. This is going great already. Coming for you, Elon. At $14.25, we're almost there. We're almost there to owning Twitter. All right, just got an order for $6.75 for McDonald's. Not a great one, but it's not too far away, and maybe I'll get a double because McDonald's loves to double up. Let's double up just like we're doubling up on buying Twitter and Tesla. We're doubling up on Elon stock. You already know what it is. The old golden arches again. McDonald's is one of those like love-hate relationships with delivery driving. Like they keep you busy, but they're always just like small orders. All right, got that picked up. Go deliver it, make some more Twitter stock, Tesla stock. It's like $3 Twitter, $3 Tesla. All right, got that order dropped off. That smells so good. I hate when the food smells good once you drop it off. I'm starting to get a little hungry. There was no extra tip on that one, but we're doing pretty well because it's been about an hour and we've made over 20 bucks. So I've driven kind of far, not too bad, but we've made over 20 bucks, which is nice because that means maybe we're on track for a $100 night. $50 Twitter, $50 Tesla. It's looking pretty good. What in the world is that? All right, just got another order for Five Guys for $6.50. It's a little far. It's not the best order, but that's, I think, the top it's going to show right now because there's no promo running. So I think $6.50 could be more than that because that's just all they're really going to show, except I got the $13 order. I don't know. DoorDash does what it wants. They're always confusing with what their orders are. But whenever I do these kind of things where I'm like working to try to invest specifically into something, I feel so less picky because I'm just like, $6.50 and that is what I can invest. So let's just go get it. Trying to see if I can spot any Teslas around here. Haven't seen one yet. I have seen some birds though. So Twitter, time to go. All right, got that order picked up, and the milkshake they gave me is wearing a tinfoil hat. Must be a conspiracy theorist. It probably believes that Elon Musk is going to take Dogecoin to the moon or something. Crazy milkshake. Look what it is. We spotted one. The first Tesla. We're about to own that pretty soon. That's how that works, right? You buy some Tesla stock, you get a Tesla. That's how it works? All right, got that order dropped off, and now I just got another one for $6. All right, got that order picked up. It's a pretty close one, so I'll go drop it off. I wouldn't normally take the $6, but since it's close, that's why I'm doing it. All right, got that order dropped off. All right, just got an order to Walgreens. I'm actually here now for $8 to pick up 2 items. Not very far either, so it's a pretty good order. And I think I know what the 2 items are. Tesla and Twitter. That's what we're picking up here, aren't we? We're buying some Tesla, we're buying some Twitter. I already know what it is. All right, got those picked up. Toilet paper and cat food, not Tesla and Twitter. Who would have known? It's always nice doing those short orders. You get to stretch your legs a little bit. I kind of like it. So I'm not actually in like Greenville right now. I'm in what's called Traveler's Rest by us. Look how pretty it is around here. These mountains are awesome. Really just make it a lot more fun to work on days like this when you're just driving around, like enjoying the scenery. Making some Twitter and Tesla. It's pretty fun. This is like how I always say, you got to find like your motivation to do it, because maybe it's not always going to make like crazy good money, but I'm having fun doing it and make some extra money for investing. So it's always fun that way. All right, got that order dropped off. Now I got to head back closer to Greenville because I got pulled pretty far away to a different city. I like that we still have so much light. It's almost 8 o'clock and it's just still so bright out. All right, before I can actually get started, I just got an order for $5.50 to Chick-fil-A. Not that much. It's normally not something I would take, but it's the way I want to go. And it's like really close to the Chick-fil-A, the drop-off location. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that just so I can get me back to where I want to be anyway. All right, got that order picked up. Got a lemonade. Not wearing a tinfoil hat though. It's not a conspiracy theorist like that milkshake from Five Guys. All right, got that order dropped off, and I got another one for $6. It's also really close. So I guess I'm just gonna keep doing these tiny orders right now because they're adding up to be pretty decent. All right, got that order picked up, and I got another one for $4.90, which is like just under what I normally take. Normally like 5 is like anything under 5 I do not take, but it's Little Caesars and it is like right here. The delivery is like right there. So I'm doing a lot of like piecework today, but it's making decent money because it's so close. Ooh, so I just got a Walgreens add-on for $12.50 that is actually taking me more towards downtown now after I do both these deliveries. So that's really good. That's another shopping order. It's like 5 items. I'm sure they'll be out of something because it's always what happens, but hey, that's pretty good because now we're talking about like $17.50 for these 2 orders. So that's some Twitter, that's some Tesla. All right. Speaking of Tesla, I haven't seen another one since that one. That's the only one I've seen. Maybe it's a bad sign. Oh no. I should have done like, I'll invest in Tesla a certain percentage of how many Teslas I see while I'm out, or how many birds I see. That's how much I invest in Twitter. Could have done that. Too bad I didn't count. All right, well, I'm here waiting on that Little Caesars order. I just went by. They said 5 minutes till the stuff's ready. But I checked the Walgreens order, and it's 3 24 packs of water and like a 12 pack of Dr. Pepper. So that one's gonna be fun. It's not too bad. I mean, I'll just throw it into a cart, whatever. But it is a lot of weight though. At least I can, you know, my trunk is empty. I'll throw it in there. But it seemed like they tipped me pretty well. If I'm getting $12.50 for it, so I can't complain about that. All right, got the pizza jammed in the bag, and I'm here at Walgreens for another shopping trip. Okay, I feel like I just did a strongman event trying to carry that stuff to their door. Luckily, it wasn't upstairs. When does that ever happen? They were on the first floor. Got both those dropped off though. They were the same price they said. I'm gonna try to keep heading back towards Greenville and see if I get orders on the way. Man, does DoorDash keep you busy. Before I could even drive away, I got another order for $11 for 2 different places for Zaxby's. Actually, I think they might both be this apartment complex I'm at right now. One of them definitely is here at this apartment complex, so I'm coming back. I'd make a bet on it. It's probably gonna be like 3rd floor. But pretty good order. Gonna go pick that up. Get some more Tesla and Twitter. I don't even know where we're at right now, but I've made a lot so far. All right, got both those dropped off for $11. All right, just got another order for Five Guys again for $9. I got that order picked up from Five Guys. I do gotta say, DoorDash keeps you busy. They keep working you all night long, which is nice because that means we're gonna be able to get a lot of Twitter, a lot of Tesla. But I'm gonna go drop this off, and I'm probably gonna finish up, maybe do just 1, maybe 2 more orders. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna try to drive back. I do have a little bit of a drive back, so I'll kind of pick stuff up on the way. Got that order dropped off. Man, does that smell good. All right, just got another order that's kind of taking me back, kind of not really, but it's for $7.25 from McDonald's. But I gotta get some gas, so I'm gonna fill up using Get Upside, of course. And I'm gonna go pick that up and then maybe do one more, because it's kind of, there's probably gonna be one that'll take me home, and then we'll go buy some Tesla and some Twitter. We'll see how much we got. I think we did pretty well. Look at those gas prices. That's even better than it was. It's rough out here paying prices like that. All right, got that order dropped off, and then got another one for $6.50. That's gonna take me a lot closer to home, and then that might be it for my night. All right, here at Wendy's, and I think I did it to myself because look at this drive-through line. I do this every time at the end of the night. I always get like the worst order just when I'm about to finish. Should've just quit. All right, good news. I did get another order for an extra $3, which is like super close. It's pretty much the same way I'm headed. Not much for $3, but to tack it on while I gotta wait in this drive-through line, I'll take it. All right, guys, I got both of those dropped off and done, and I'm finished for the night. I'm actually back home now, so let's talk about how much I made and how much Tesla and Twitter I'm about to buy. All right, so the total for the night was $107.15, and I got a $2 cash tip, so it's $109.15. And I also drove 92 miles for the day. So $109.15 means we get to buy $54.57 of one, and then $54.58 of another one. So how do we choose which one gets the extra penny? That's a big deal. So I figured the most fair way to do it was to flip a quarter. And why a quarter? Well, obviously because there's a bird on it, so that's Twitter. If it lands that way, Twitter gets the extra penny. If it lands heads, then Tesla gets the extra penny, because Tesla's a man and Twitter's a bird. Perfect. All right, here we go. Twitter gets the extra penny. But all right, by the time you guys see this, I'll have already bought them, so here they are. That's right, I am a proud owner now of Tesla and Twitter. Not something I really expected I would ever be investing in, because I don't really like it that much, but I mean, I'm buying it because I want to see what Elon Musk might do to it, and because I don't know, I just want to join in on the ride. Let's just see what happens. But that is it, guys. Maybe you guys want to join in, buy some Twitter stock or some Tesla stock too. I mean, come on, buy it. You'll help my stock do better. Let's turn it into a Ponzi scheme. But thank you guys so much for watching. These are always really fun to do these, and I hope they come across fun on the camera. It's really fun to just work and then have a goal to invest it. I always get really motivated by doing these type of videos. And hopefully these are motivating to you guys to want to go do the same, or to use the money for whatever it is that you guys want to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget about those referral links down below in the description that you guys can use to sign up for stuff. I always appreciate it when you guys use that stuff. It really helps the channel out a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked it, remember to do the cheapest thing you can today. Tap that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. And let me know if you have anything that you want to see me work for, to invest in, or to buy. I'll put it in the queue for videos coming up on things I'm going to do to work to invest. I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, stay cheap.
Hey, you better be saving that money. Don't you be spending it now. You're still here watching this? You might as well just subscribe. Why would you not at this point?